Have you ever wondered about the untold stories behind the headlines? The narratives that are glossed over or, all too often, completely ignored? Today we delve into one such story. The story of the Palestinian children who have been victims of conflict since 2008. For over a decade, the Israeli-Palestinian conflict has raged on, leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. Since 2008, an alarming 150,000 Palestinians have been killed or injured. A startling 33,000 of these victims were children. Yet, their stories remain largely untold, their traumas overlooked. In May of 2021 alone, a brutal 11-day conflict resulted in the deaths of 66 children in Gaza due to Israeli airstrikes. 2 children were also killed in Israel by Gaza militant rocket fire. The aftermath of such violence is not only physical but psychological, with an estimated half of Gaza's young population, that's around 500,000 children, potentially needing psychological support as a result of the conflict. The World Health Organization reports that during this conflict, essential drugs were nearly exhausted in Gaza, with 30 health facilities damaged and testing for COVID-19 halted. The International Committee of the Red Cross has called for urgent medical supplies and has raised concerns about unexploded bombs. The trauma of these children is palpable. One 6-year-old girl, Susie Eshkantana, lost her mother and 4 siblings in an Israeli airstrike. She now lives with her father and uncle, exhibiting signs of distress such as not eating or sleeping well and being unable to play. This is just one story among thousands. Even before the conflict, 1 in 3 children in Gaza needed psychosocial support. Depression and insecurity are common psychological issues among Gaza children, leading to bedwetting, stuttering, nightmares, and refusal to eat. The sense of hopelessness among children is overwhelming, with many asking when the next war will be and what they will do. It's time to break the silence. It's time to shift the narrative and shed light on the stories that have been brushed aside. These children are not just numbers or statistics. They are individuals with hopes, dreams, and futures that have been cruelly snatched away. So what can we do? We can start by spreading awareness, share their stories, talk about the issue, ask the tough questions. Why is this happening? Why is it allowed to continue? And most importantly, how can we contribute to a solution? Remember, change begins with awareness, and awareness begins with you. So don't stay silent. Speak up for the children of Palestine. Thank you for listening, and remember, your voice can make a difference.